Traveling with the Divine Destination Collection is like a homecoming. They treat us like we're family. They're not just curating these experiences, they're part of it. And so when you sign up to go on one of these trips, you get, as a bonus, Deb and Allison, because they're there. They're doing all the same things as you are. They're not in the background, they're part of the experience with you. The people that go on these trips, a lot of us have traveled before, and if there's any new people, we know within a day we're all going to be part of the Divine Destination Collection family. It's very unique in that way. They are part of the experience, definitely. Clavacarons. It was actually historic and spiritual combined. It was a very mystical experience, or burial area, and situated in such a way that the sun would set, and how brilliantly planned it was for such a historic site. And learned a lot about that, learned a lot about the goddesses, witches, and the fairies on our fairy walk. But again, all mixed in with the history as well at each place we went to. So really, really wonderful.
The natural environment is sort of inspiration, and that's what I come away with.
It's just such a marvellous experience just to be in the countryside, to be in the cities, and to watch the weather, bizarrely. It conspires along with the countryside to give us some of the most spectacular views that I believe are on this earth. The mountains are rugged in many places, smooth in other places. The sun picks out some of the amazing characteristics in that landscape. The people as well, they're reflected in the landscape. The landscape itself are very much part of what has given the country its very distinct characteristic.
So many different feels from place to place in this particular trip. So starting at Inverlochy, and how beautiful that castle was, and how ancient and gorgeous the grounds, and then going to Sky Island, the ferry walk, that was gorgeous, but it was very different from Inverlochy. And then going to Glen Eagle was also amazing, and to be at Glen Eagle in a world-class golf course and walking those grounds, it was very different from the other two hotels too. So I think all said that it's all very Scottish and all integrated, but there's different experiences at each location. I know from past experience going on trips with the Divine Destination Collection that surprises are part of the package, but you never know when you're going to see something pop up. And for me, the bagpipers walking through the golf course at Glen Eagles, as we were hiking through, it was just spectacular, beautiful sunny day, and suddenly the bagpipers started piping and piped us right through into this beautiful, cozy outdoor room with fireplace, and that was a surprise. Even though I was expecting something, that was absolutely beautiful, and loved every second of that.
The degree to which things are really well organized. A lot of the other trips I take are basically self-created trips, where I and my wife are doing the organization, so we have more of a direct hand in things. But it's very nice to have all of this looked after for you, and seeing it all fall into shape very, very naturally and very professionally.
What surprised me, the connection everyone had with each other, and how we were all able to just work together to get the full experience, and how Allison and Deb bring us together. I didn't think traveling with a group of people you've never met before could have this big of an impact on my life. It did.